The secret of getting ahead is just getting started. The world is full of self made kings who hustled a lot to reach their success. A world full of dreams, passion, and hope. Most people just hope to succeed and wait for a miracle to happen. But how can we just not hope and at least try to convert it to your success? Remember that there is no magic rule of being successful in your life. But there are a few steps that you can definitely try and do and start doing it from today. Firstly, believe in yourself. Believe in your dreams, passion, and you motivate yourself to take the necessary steps. And secondly, the most important thing, never ever stop. Just learn new skills every day and implement it. Remember, just do it. There will be a lot of haters around you and a lot of people will be there to demotivate you, but don't listen to them. As I said earlier, just believe in yourself. Learn something which you like to do in your life, maybe your passion, or maybe just simply learning how to do a clap push-up. Maybe you're not a gym freak, but still you want to learn clap push-up. Just learn it. Don't just sit idle and waste your time socially. It's not gonna help you to enhance your skill in future. So, wake up, stay focused, and learn new things. Gain knowledge from wherever you are getting. And most importantly, after gaining knowledge, start taking your first step. Start implementing it. See, somebody like Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, or Dhirubhai Ambani have not become successful in one day. They believed in them and they believed in the process. So take the first step and just do it. In one day or even in a whole week, you cannot do a single clap push-up if you even learn it properly as well. So start with normal push-ups, practice it daily, day and night, and slowly increase your strengths. Remember, in this process, you will definitely fail. But as always, we tell, failures are the pillars of success. If you won't fail, you won't get that satisfaction for a long period of time. So enjoy failing and take the negative people as a motivation. Just do it. And one day, after so much failure, you will definitely succeed and be a pro in that field. Be an expert in that field. And that day, you will be the happiest. After that, again just don't stop. Influence people with what you have learned so that the positive people like you grows and grows bigger. So, gain positivity, spread positivity. And as always, remember one thing, just do it.